In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process of converting OFT files to other formats using the Peak.OFT Converter tool. To install the Peak.OFT Converter tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with the option to select from multiple categories of email data. Email data file, desktop email client, email accounts, email servers. Further, each email category offers users a variety of file types. Navigate to the email data file, where users can view various file type options, including OST, PST, OLM, EML, MSG, OFT, and others. Click on the OFT option and then select Choose Folder or Choose File option. Choose the folder containing OFT files and then click the Select Folder button. A panel showing the entire structure of OFT file will appear on the left. Click on any of the folders to preview its contents. Select an email to view the message. This tool only displays relevant information in the content section of the preview. User also have the option to save attachments if there are any. Right-click on attachment to open or save attachments. Tool provides users with Open, Save and Save All option to save multiple attachments. Our tool provides users with various preview options, including content, properties, header, raw, and hex views. This tool provides users with two types of search options: folder search and advanced search. Let's see the advanced search option. Click on the magnifying glass icon. This option allows the user to search the entire Outlook data file, including contacts, calendar, and more, or you can also choose the options individually. This tool contains email filter options that allow the user to search for any particular email. Name filter to search by name. Subject filter to search from subject. To filter to search from receiver. Date filter to search between dates. Time filter to search between timings. Content filter to search for the keyword in the content section. Attachment filter options are also available. File name option to search for specific type of attachment like PDF, doc, etc. File size unit option to select the unit of file size like. File size option to specify the size of the attachment. Must match all option only display the preview of emails that meet all the criteria. Click on Find button and search process will begin. The search word or output will be highlighted in yellow color. Our tool provides users with extract option to extract email components such as email addresses, attachments, phone numbers and photos. User can export the desired output as well. Go to export option. Our tool supports multiple formats such as email files, document files, email services, and email clients. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in exported PST file, such as location bar. Open folder after export is done. Skip grayed out folders. Create empty folders. Delete old folders. Include email headers. This option allows users to see all the headers in the email, which contain vital information about the sender, recipient, and routing details. Toggle it on or off accordingly. Create individual PST file for each folder option creates individual file for each converted folder. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the export process. Click on the Save button, and the export process will start. A pop-up will soon appear, notifying users that they cannot export OFT files in demo version. To remove this restriction, users must purchase a software license. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.